Hello everyone, my name's Patrick, and on this video I want to show you a little something. It's something to do with this thing, the TV set and the player, but more like, and how they're connected. A little info go behind the back of the DVD player and the top box. I done was hook up some plugs. If you can't see, I don't know if you can see it, but I do. But unfortunately, hold on one sec. I get the torch. I get my torch. Just there we go. There. Just see where my finger is pointing? That is an HDMI plug. A high definition. Well, actually, matter of fact, I'll show you right here from the packaging I got. Here we go. A high definition multimedia interface cable. And I got this last week, but just now before I started filming, I set it all up. I first started using HDMI when I set my sister's PlayStation up to her TV, and the picture quality was beautiful. Alright, next thing I'll show you what I mean by hooking it by another way is that, and this is a while ago, don't worry about these RCA plugs, and I hooked it up to the TV and that as well. Alright, just like meanwhile TV, this end, the other end of this cable is hooked up to the TV itself, and there's another one, different cable, also hooking up to the TV. I'll show you what I mean by. Sorry about that. I just have to get this out of the way. And if you look underneath here, see your answer? Just there, these two. Alright? Alright. What I just need to do is turn on the TV set. Blue light's on. Looks like it's coming on right now. Alright, a little demonstration. Alright, HDMI 2. That's the Blu-ray player. That goes to this thing, the Blu-ray player. And also HDMI on goes to the top box, but you probably know that the picture, you might know it's blurry during the recording, but on here, on the TV itself, it's clearer. Just going to switch it back to the top box, to the recorder actually. I just need to inject the and probably that's it. Pitch is clearer, sounds clearer. Nothing else I can say. Other than this is just, and also that's just normal if I put the disc in. It's just loading. Oh, actually I forgot. I may need to take a turn off. This is, and that's what I want to show you today. HDMI plugs. High definition multimedia interfacing cables.